center of the city Ghent, on the Sint-Baasplein, you can find this gorgeous building. This 19th century eclectic style building is home to the National Theatre of Ghent. Every season, the actors create their own new productions. These productions are performed in this city theatre and in the other two theatres of the NTG in Ghent, but also across the Belgian and Dutch borders. This 2023-2024 season is completely dedicated to Greek mythology. It's a season about everyday heroes. If you're looking to experience the unique culture of theatre, you should check out the National Theatre of Ghent, or come have a drink in their cafe and enjoy this gorgeous building.